In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to beat Isabel on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, would like to beat Isabel. Of course, Isabel is a completely broken, a good chess bot. And of course, if you want to beat this in your tutorial beginner as an example, first of all, you'll have to play a lot of chess game. Maybe 3 a day, maybe 5 a day, maybe 10 a day, maybe 20, whatever you're capable of to do. Then you'll have to go to this left panel, have a learn, and make sure to learn some lessons, some chessable courses, some insights. But the most important things is actually this opening and end games, which is the most important so you can how to start a game and how to end the game, especially against a good player. And as I said, the mid game you'll learn that by playing chess a lot, so make sure to do that. So now, once you do all of that, you can just go and play the Isabel bot and make sure you will win. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.